second question we will learn. And the comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equation intersect, are parallel, or coincident. Which type of lines we will find? Intersecting lines, parallel lines, or coincident lines we have to find. Intersect means right lines are intersect, parallel means parallel lines, coincident means coincident lines. In this bit 3 questions are there we will do. See, first one, A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by 2 means which type of lines will come means intersecting lines. Graph are 3 types. One is intersecting lines, one is coincident lines, one is parallel lines. So A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by 2 means which lines? Intersecting lines. Next, all are equal. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2 means coincident lines. Next, this side B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by 2. So, C2. This one equal came, this one not equal came means which type of lines? Parallel lines. Keep in your mind. These 3 types of lines you have to keep in your mind. So this A1 by this one seeing only which type of graph we can say. Which type of 3 graphs? Intersecting and coincident and parallel. Intersecting, coincident and parallel. Intersecting means how many answers? Only one answer. One answer means it is a consistent. The answer is there means it is a consistent. Next, coincident. Coincident means many solutions. Many solutions means this is also consistent. Parallel means there is no solution. No solution means intersecting. Solution is there means consistent. No solution means inconsistent. Once again, intersecting lines, coincident lines, parallel lines. Intersecting means one solution. Coincident means many solutions. And next, parallel means there is no solution. So solution is there means it is a consistent. Here one solution is there, so it is a consistent. Here many solutions are there. This is also consistent. Here no solution. No solution means inconsistent. So these all we keep in your mind, and we have to write which type of lines. Intersect lines, coincident lines, or parallel lines. We have to write step by step. We will do. See here, first question I am writing. I am doing here. See, first question 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. Next, 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. So, see your equation which form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to c form. First one is a, second one is a b, third one is a c. A, b, c. First one we will take a1, this is a a2. This is b1, b2. c1, c2. Keep in your mind. First one a1, second one a2. Next b1, b2. c1, c2. So first we will write first a1 by a2 we will write. A1 by a2 means a1 is the 5. 5 by 7. Here any cancel possible? No possible. No possible means keep like this only. Next we will start a1 by a2. A1 by a1 a2. Next b1 by b2. b1 by b2 means b1 what is there? Minus 4. b2 what is there? 6. See here, any cancel possible? 2 ones are possible. 2 ones are possible means cancel is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. What is the answer? Minus 2 by 3. Next, third one, right? C1 by C2. C1 means what? 8. Next, C2 means minus 9. Here any cancel possible? No possible. So, here observe, first write A1 by A2, next B1 by B2, next C1 by C2. After, you observe these two, how is there? These two are not equal. See here, A1 by A2, here, right here, here. These two observe, how is there? Not equal. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Point is A1 by A2, 5 by 7 is there. B1 by B2, minus 2 by 3 is there. So these two are not equal means which lines? Intersect lines. Intersect means both lines, it will meet only one point. So which lines here? Lines are intersect right here. Therefore, lines are intersect each other. Lines are intersect each other. So you see this one and you have to write which type of lines we can write it. So here once again I will write A1 by A2, 5 by 7, B1 by B2, minus 4 by 6, cancel means minus 2 by 3, C1 by C2, 8 by minus 9. First to do you observe how is there? A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. If not equal means which type of lines? Intersecting lines. This is the first answer. A1 A2. B1, B2, C1, C2. First I am writing A1 by A2. See here A1 means 9, A2 means 18. Here cancel possible. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. What is the answer? 1 by 2. Next we will take B1 by B2. B1 means what? 3. B2 means what? 6. Cancel possible. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 1 by 2. Next we will do here C1 by C2. C1 by C2. It is equal to C1 what? 12 by 24. It will cancel. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. What is the answer? 1 by 2. You observe here 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So all are equal. Now write here A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. See here all are equal means which lines? Coincident line. Coincident line means one upon overlapping. One line apart, it will come one more line. It is called coincident lines. Coincident means it is overlap. Overlap. One line apart, one more line will come. So this is which type of lines? Coincident lines. Therefore, lines are coincident. Lines are coincident. Only this. 6x, third one, 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. Next, 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Now, first we will do A1 by A2. See here I am doing A1 by A2. A1 means 6 divided by 2. See here 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. What is the answer? 3 down nothing means 1. Next we will take B1 by B2. B1 by B2. B1 means what? Minus 3. Here any number not there means 1. So minus 3 by minus 1. Next here minus minus cancel. What you will get? It is become a plus. It is 3 by 1. Next B1 by B2 over. Next C1 by C2. C1 means what? 10 by 9. 10 by 9 we can't cancel. So here you observe means A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is there, but this is not equal to C1 by C2. See here A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. It is not equal to C1 by C2. C1 by C2 means here which lines? Parallel lines. So right here see here A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 and it is not equal to C1 by C2. Nothing baba. Here not equal means intersecting. Here not equal means parallel. All are equal means coincident. So here right here. Therefore, the lines are parallel. The lines are parallel. So you are seeing this one, you can write it. Keep this one in your mind. First one not equal to means intersecting. Here last two not equal means parallel. All are equal means coincident. Only this.